Hi guys, today I will share with you Makita TR00000002 Trolley stackable side strap for backpack case connector type 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 storage. Please like, subscribe and turn on the bell for more videos. The trolley is alloy frame with metal axle, rubberized ball bearing wheels for easy transportation, foldable system for easy storage, multi-position adjustable straps. For the max weight, it can go to 120 kg for flat surface and 60 kg for incline. The total weight for the trolley is 7.85 kg. I will be connecting 3 Type 4 Makita connector backpack case on this trolley.